So let us see what we have here in this problem. This problem is based on concept of acceleration. Let us see this problem. A bus decreases its speed from 80 km per hour to 60 km per hour in 5 seconds. We have to find out the acceleration of this bus. So let us first write down what we know about acceleration. The formula for acceleration can be given as v minus u upon t. Here v is final velocity. So what is the final velocity? We have got 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. And u is initial velocity. The initial velocity we have here is 80 km per hour. And the time taken to go from 80 to 60 is 5 seconds. Notice here, u and v are given in kilometer per hour, while the time is given in seconds. So the units here are not matching at all. So we have to bring them in the same unit. So I will prefer to use SI unit. So for SI unit, let us convert first v. V is given as 60 km per hour. So 60 multiplied by, if you want to convert kilometer into meter, you have to multiply by 1000 here. 1000 meters, right? Divided by r. R can be written as 1 hour contains 60 minutes and each minute contains 60 seconds. So we have to multiply 60 into 60 in this case. So 1 of the 60 will cancel out. So you will get v is equal to 1000 upon 60 meter per second. So let us simplify this fraction. So we'll cancel this 0. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. So 50 upon 3. We get 50 upon 3 meter per second. And you will get 80 into 1000 divided by 60 into 60. Let us cancel out these zeros. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. So you got 2 into 100 upon 3 into 3. So we got 200 upon 3 3s are 9 meter per second. Now let us come back to your acceleration formula. So A is equal to V minus U by T. Your V was 50 by 3 and U was 200 by 9. So let me put it here. V was 50 by 3 and U was 200 by 9. Divided by time was 5 seconds. Let us first solve the numerator. So we have to solve this numerator, we have to get the denominator as 9 on both the sides, and this will happen when we multiply by 3 to the numerator and denominator to this fraction. So let us do it. 50 multiplied by 3 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 minus 200 divided by 9 and the whole thing divided by 5. 55 5 3s are 15. So you will get 150 divided by 9 minus 200 divided by 9 upon 5. So you will get 150 minus 200 divided by 9 into 5. You can take this 2 common and bring it to denominator. So 150 minus 200 will give you minus 50 divided by 9 into 5. 5 10s are 15. So minus 10 by 9 meter per second becomes your answer for acceleration. This negative sign indicates that this is an deceleration. That means the velocity of the object is decreasing with time.